Now we will start with a very important topic. Okay, very interesting as well. Okay, slightly tricky, but it's easy. Okay, we will talk about something called as packages. Okay, and access specifiers. We are going to jump into packages and access specifiers in today's session. Okay, so what are packages here? Okay, what are packages? Whenever we talk about packages here, in simple English, they are nothing but folders. Okay, what are packages? Packages are nothing but folder, or we might also call it as directory. Okay, package means folder or directory. It means the same actually. Okay, there's nothing great about it or something like that. It's almost the same. And why do we create a package here? Okay, in simple terms here, we create packages to store all our Java programs. Store Java programs, correct? You have classes, interfaces, Java files, Java programs. Where will you store those Java programs? Inside a folder, correct? So packages are nothing but folders or directory, and they are used to store all the Java programs whichever we try to do here, correct? But now here, whenever we create a package, okay, searching will become very easy. Okay, searching will become very easy, and there is better maintenance of the programs here. Okay, better maintenance of the program here. That's the major reason here we always make use of something called as packages here. Okay, for example, imagine guys, okay, there is a folder, okay, and that folder name is called as movies here. What is it? There is a folder, and that folder name is called as movies. Okay, and you store all your Java programs over there. Sorry, movies, right? We have a folder called as movies, and you'll store 1,000 movies in that particular folder here. Okay, all different language movies. Okay, like English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, blah 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 blah, whatever language you like, or whatever movies you want to watch, those movies are stored over here. Wherein, if you want to search or watch a particular movie here, the searching will become difficult. Okay, there is no maintenance of the programs. Therefore, what I'll do, I will organize it here. Okay, how will I organize it here? I will create a folder called as movies. Okay, what will I do? I will create the same folder called as movies. Under that, I will create subfolders. Under that, what will I do? I will create subfolders such as English movies, Kannada movies, Hindi movies, blah 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 blah. You can write any language movies, okay? No issues at all. Okay. So now again in that specific subfolder, if I write English movies, inside that you will again create subfolders. Horror movies, comedy movies, thriller movies. Again, Kannada, horror movies, thriller movies, comedy movies. Okay, again, subfolders. So wherein what happens? Searching will become easy, and that there is better maintenance of your Java, better maintenance of the files here. Got the clarity here? If you try to store all the movies in a single folder, searching will become difficult, and there is no maintenance here. Okay, but once you create a folder called as movies, inside that subfolders, English, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, blah 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 blah. If you keep on creating, and when you create subfolders, okay, like as horror movies, thriller, comedy, so it becomes very easy. Okay, which type of movie do you want? That way it becomes very easy. Okay, there is better modularity of the programs here. Got it? So what are basically packages? It's a folder or a directory. And why do we use packages? To store all your Java programs. And what happens when we do it? Searching will become easy, and there is better maintenance of your Java programs. Okay, you don't have to do anything much. There is good maintenance here. Got it? Perfect. Great. So now here, whenever we talk about packages, we have a structure of a package. Okay, you have to understand how do we create the structure of a package here. Okay, structure of a package. Okay, it's easy. We just need to understand the structure. Okay, now here, whenever we talk about the structure, right? Okay, let me draw the representation first, and then slowly we'll try to talk about the remaining aspects here. First will be the domain name, then comes company name, then comes application name, and then comes n number of modules here. Okay, we can have n number of modules. Okay, this is the basic structure, guys. Okay, what is the first part here? We have to give the domain name. Okay, what is it? We have to give the domain name, followed by we have to give the company name, and then we have to give the application name which we are going to work around with. Okay, so and then we can give n number of modules here. We can have n number of modules here. Module 1, module 2, and so on till module n. So we can have n number of modules over here. This is the basic structure of creating a package. Okay, can you see a quick example here? Okay, example. Okay, imagine you are working around a Gmail application. What is it? You are going to work around with Gmail application. Okay, you're trying to develop an application. Okay, similar to Gmail or whatever it is. Okay, so now here, whenever we talk about the package here, always the first part is the domain name. correct? Then comes the company name, correct? Then comes the application name. And then we can have n number of modules. We can have how many modules? N number of modules. There is no restrictions here. Okay. So let me try to talk about it. See, whenever you talk about Gmail application here, okay, what is the domain name? www.gmail.com, correct? So the domain name is gmail.com, right? So the extension is generally com. So that is the reason I write it as com. So the extension might be org.co.in, right? AU, NZ. It depends, it depends here, okay? So whatever is your domain name will be my first package. After that, it will be the company name. Which company owns Gmail here? It's common sense. It's Google, right? It's knowledge. Okay? Com, Google, and which is the application you're going to work around with? You are going to work around with Gmail. Okay? And what are the n number of modules you'll be working around? It is inbox.java. It's a module. Then second, sent items. Sent items dot java. It's a module. Okay. Again, second, spam. Okay. Spam dot java. It's a module, and so on. We can have n number of classes, which is a module. Got it? This is the standard structure we follow. Domain name, company name, application name. That is nothing but com.google.gmail. Okay. Under Gmail, what are the different modules you have? Inbox, sent items, spam, trash, outbox, compose, promotion, social, blah, 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 blah. You name it, we have 1,000 things. Correct? So this is what we are supposed to understand. And always, whenever you create a package, make sure that it should always be in lowercase. Okay. It's a good practice to be in lowercase here. Okay, lowercase. Always see, look at the package names. Everywhere it is lowercase. Okay, it's not that if you give uppercase, it will throw an error, but it's a good practice here. Okay, I'll show it to you. Got the clarity? Shall we see a quick practical example here? Okay, see here. What I'll try to do here is let me create a project first. Okay, let me create a project. New, and I will create a project. Okay, and that project name is Gmail application. Gmail application. Okay, now the project name is Gmail application. Under that particular application here, I have to create a package. How will I create a package? Control N package. Okay, and what is the package name I told you? See, if I give it as uppercase, it gives an error. See, it gives a warning. Discourage package name. By convention, package name usually starts with lowercase letter. Okay, so always packages should be lowercase. So I'll tell www.gmail.com. So the domain name is com dot. What is the application name? Company name? Google dot. What is the application name I'm working around with? Gmail. So com dot google dot gmail. I create a package structure. Okay, domain name, company name, application name. See, I created com dot google dot gmail. But I don't like this. Okay, I mean I want it in a stepwise hierarchy. That's the major reason here. There is something called as quick access on the top. Correct? Can you find there's something called as quick access on the top here? Okay, over here, search for something called as navigator. What will you search for? You will search for something called as navigator. Once you click on it, okay, see, can you see navigator appears over here? Project Explorer and navigator are the same. They both are same, but it happens in a different way. See, I create a project. What is the project name? Gmail application. Under src.com, under com Google, under Google Gmail. Can you see the stepwise hierarchy? Gmail is a folder present in Google. Google is a folder present in com. Com is a folder present in SRC. SRC is present in Gmail application. Under Gmail, I will create a class. Class name is inbox. Okay, class name is inbox. See, inbox.java file will get created. So that's how we are supposed to understand. So inbox is a class that is present in Gmail. Gmail is present in Google. Google is present in com. Package meaning it's a folder. If you want to see this, I can show it to you. Which is the workspace we are using here? The workspace is JCM63 workspace. I open that workspace. Once I open that workspace, which is the project I created, Gmail application. Open the Gmail application. There is SRC, source. It's the root folder. Open that. Can you see? Com is the folder. Under com, Google is the folder. Under Google, Gmail is the folder. Under Gmail, inbox.java. See, it's a Java file. Once I open on it, can you see it opens in Notepad? Got it? Inbox is a Java program present in Gmail. Gmail is present in Google. Google is present in com here. Right? See if you could closely observe. Gmail folder present in Google, Google present in com present in SRC, SRC present in Gmail application. Gmail application is a project present in the workspace, JCM63 workspace. This is a hierarchy which we need to follow. In simple terms here, package is nothing but folder. Okay, why do we create packages? Better maintenance and searching will become easy. Clear? So can you see here? It's a stepwise hierarchy which we'll get here. So this is Navigator and this is Project Explorer. You can use anything you wish to. Okay, it's not that you have to use only Project Explorer or Navigator. No, you can use whatever you wanted. This is the basic hierarchy which we need to talk about it. Clear? Understood? Perfect. Okay, this is all about the entire process here. Got it, right? So this is what we have spoken about. So what are packages, guys? Just look at this first example. Packages are nothing but folder or directory. Why do we create packages? To store all your Java programs. Okay, so Java programs in the sense classes and interfaces. Once we create a package here, searching will become very easy. Okay, searching will become very easy here. And then after searching becomes easy, the better maintenance of the program. And I have given you one quick example wherein you can understand the basic flow here. This is all about packages here. Got it?